Do you want to study in Europe and receive financial support from the Dutch government? The Netherlands Government Scholarship is now available for international students for the 2026 to 2027 academic year. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about the Netherlands Government Scholarship 2026 to 27, including the benefits, eligibility criteria, available study fields, and the step-by-step application process. So make sure you watch this video until the end. The NL Scholarship is offered by the Dutch government together with several participating universities in the Netherlands. It is designed for international students who want to pursue a bachelor's or master's degree in the Netherlands. This scholarship helps students financially during the first year of their studies. Let's talk about the benefits of this scholarship. Selected students will receive a one-time grant of €5,000. This financial support is given during the first year of study and can be used for tuition fees, living expenses, books, and study materials. However, keep in mind that this scholarship is not fully funded, so it will not cover all tuition or living costs. To apply for this scholarship, applicants must meet several requirements. First, you must be a non-EU or non-EEA international student. Second, you must apply for a full-time bachelor's or master's degree program in the Netherlands. You must also meet the academic requirements and English language requirements of the chosen university. Another important condition is that you must not have previously studied at the same degree level in the Netherlands. Eligible countries open to all non-EEA countries, including Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Indonesia, and many others. Required documents, valid passport, academic transcripts and certificates, CV, motivation letter, English language proof, university admission letter, application process step by step. Step 1. Apply for admission to a Dutch university. Step 2. Check if your university offers the NL Scholarship. Step 3. Submit scholarship application through the university. Step 4. Upload required documents. Step 5. Wait for selection results. You cannot apply directly to the government. Applications go through universities. Deadline. Deadlines vary by university, but generally, February 2026, April, May 2026. Top universities which are participating: University of Groningen, Leiden University, Utrecht University, Erasmus University Rotterdam, Maastricht University. Important tips. Apply early before deadlines. Choose universities offering this scholarship. Write a strong motivation letter. Maintain a good academic record. Apply to multiple universities. Remember, this scholarship is not fully funded, so plan your finances carefully. But it's still a great opportunity to start your study journey in the Netherlands. Follow Study Abroad updates for more.